depende din na siya makapasok. Lalaki doon eh. Anong pinto ba?
Stoy! Tapos na kayo, sila naman. Dito kayo sa gitna. Sila naman.
Si Ibrahim kasi ay hindi ni kasalanan eh. Sorry ha?
Oh, dito kayo sa gitna.
Pahinga lang si Ibrahim. Aray, palagi pa ito. Yung naman mo, grabe naman ito. Tingnan mo, 5 pounds na naman. Sana naman ako. Kayo, may haliti, ikaw na.
Oh, takin tayo lahat sir. Mga takin tayo.
Lima lang kayo?
Kapit tayo.
Ball game, ball game.
Graduate ka na naman.
Now, Wonder Boy, his second game. Second. It's Navigate against Colidia. Our interesting category by Basketballista. Ball game. First position of Colidia. Steal by 9. 9 to Anderson. Oh, in and out. Rebound on Chaya. Chaya to the director Sablan. Steal by Lucas. Nice pass. Turnover. First turnover of the game on Navigate. Our score 0-all. It's been Navigate versus Calidia. Now Chaya. Chaya. To the director Sablan. Air ball 9. Baseball bat. Oh, back to back. Turnover on Navigate.
Kailan malaro natin ito doon saan? Sa 176. Itong linggo? Ito darating? Pwede kinakilakad na eh. May finals tayo.
Lucas, fake, drive, side step, pull out jumper. Too strong, rebound on the director, Sablan. Sablan, back to back turnover on both teams. Navigate versus Calidia.
Ay, percentage! Wala ka nilalaban ng buhay. Saan? Traveling rep!
Troubling Belgian on Cocheco. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Score 0-all. It's been 2 minutes.
Isang mo!
Chaya.
Dalaw!
To Herson. Herson drive. Foul. Foul on number 14 on the Wonder Boy. First personal foul on the Wonder Boy. First team foul on Navigate. First basket, Herson. Now score once against 2 against 0. 8 minutes. Now Lucas. Anderson. 9. 14 to shoot. 10. Rebound on director Sablan. Herson on the way. Yes, on Herson. Now 4-0. 4-point lead now on Calidia. Conseco. Yes, on Conseco. 4-2. Back to 2-point lead on Calidia. The director now to Chaya. Chaya, strong move, Chaya move, Chaya foul. Foul on number 11 on 9. Second team foul on Navigate. First on 9. 9.
Diretso na, JD! Diretso na! Alright.
Yes! On Naing! For all!
Naing sa coaching. Naing sa coaching. Sa kabila naman, sa Kalibia, Harrison, dalawa.
Short! Ibano Kuchenko.
Dalawa kayo ng coaching.
Wonder Boy. Too strong. Rebound by Harrison.
Anderson?
Harrison. Harrison sa Kalibia.
Kuchenko. To the Wonder Boy. Not Maing. Anderson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Anderson! 7-4. 6 minutes. The director. Short. Ibon on Lucas. Lucas now. Lucas to the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy. Back to Anderson. Same spot. Too strong. Chaya rebound. Steal by Maing. Maing. Looking for Kuchenko. Stop. Pull out jumper. Short. Iban again by Maing. Whoa! Maing again. Wonder Boy. 14 to shoot. 14. Too strong. Rebound by Harrison. It's 2-2. Harrison drive. Black by Lucas. Nice defense on Lucas. Now the Lakers are done.
Clear din sila.
Foul.
Clear din sila.
Foul on Anderson. 13 foul on Navigate. First on Anderson. Now Hinson. Guarded by the Wonder Boy. Foul. Foul on the Wonder Boy. Warning for penalty on Navigate. First on the Wonder Boy. Second on the Wonder Boy. Second. Hinson. Drive. Now Maing. Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy. Foul. Foul on Eurostep Alarcon. First on the Eurostep Alarcon. First, second team foul. Kalibia. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Up by Sablan. 3 minutes. Steal by Anderson. Steal again Chaya. Chaya to Henson. Save ball. Nice defense on Maing. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 23. 11-4. 7-point lead. By Navigate. The Eurostep man, Alarcon. Now Lucas. To the Wonder Boy. Anderson. Now turnover on Navigate. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. 11-6. Only 5-point lead against Navigate. Chaya. To Eurostep Alarcon. Foul. Foul on number 24 on Kuchenko. Penalty.
First on Conseco.
First on Kuchenko.
Dami na nag-aayak. Pwede ka doon sa mga hindi kami niluwi.
Iwan mo sa tayo pag-ilim, pag maaga mo darating, ipasok mo ako sa first sa second. Para at least may mobilis isa na hindi sila, di ba?
Now 7-11, 1 minute and 50 seconds. 4-point lead now by Navigate. Lucas. Anderson. 24 seconds, 24. Now, Lucas. Kadibechaya. Yes! Lucas. Eurostep, Alarcon, black behind by Lucas. Lucas, Tutsenko, the Wonder Boy! 15-7, 8-point lead on Navigate. Enson.
Nice D.
1 minute. Ibarra to Director Sablan. Sablan. Try. Yes, on the Director Sablan. 40 seconds. Mike Anderson. Bang, 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 bang. On Anderson. Yes, on his own. 11-18. 20 seconds. Tutsenko. Pow! Pow! Basket count and 1 on Tutsenko. Pow! Against Guevara. First on Guevara, third team foul on Caridia. 11 seconds, 11 seconds.
Wala!
Time.
Alis!
Basket net count, basket net count as referee. Basket net count.
Yun muna, ubus ko na yung text.
Only 9-point lead on Navigate. 20. That's 11. Navigate Paul, navigate.
O sila out! Siguin nyo!
Inbounding on the veteran. To rock and rolling. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On RR now 23. RJ. Pow! Foul on the Padre Tutsenko. First on Navigate.
Rating nyo yung number 5, magulo talaga yun.
First personal foul on Paco Tutsenko. 9 minutes and 35 seconds. First basket to Henson, 23-12. Now 13-23, back to 10-point lead. On Navigate, now RJ. The veteran load. Rebound on the rock and roll short. Steal by RJ. Pass to rock and roll again, rock and roll in. Yes, on the rock and roll in. 25-13. 12-point lead now, Navigate. March to Henson. Drive, coast to coast, Henson. One up, oh, by Henson. Back to 10-point lead by Navigate, 15-25. RG. To the captain, Midel. The captain, short. Save ball, 14 the set start at 14.
Baby, tell me. Yeah, brother. Yeah, don't call me, my weekend.
RJ, same spot. Short. Rebound by March. March, fake. March now. March.
Okay.
Pass to the Director Sablan. Now, 3-point shot attempt, short, rebound on the Huracan rolling. Huracan now, it's 3-2. To the veteran, load.
It's with
Too strong, rebound on Ibarra.
Muhammad Ali all
8 minutes. March. To Henson, drive.
Muhammad Nabil.
Top by Consego, back to Henson, 14 to shoot, 14, shotgun.
Oh.
RJ. Now rock and rolling. Up to the captain, short. Now RJ, pull a jump by RJ, 27-15. 12-point lead now on Navigate. Yes, on March. Asablan. Rock and rolling. Big. RJ. Looking for the veteran. Load. First attempt, first shot. In and out. Sablan now. Sablan. The director. Pull on jump. Same spot. Too strong. RJ. Now rock and rolling. Load. RJ. Banan Ibarra. Henson. Short. Rebound the Big Daddy. Oh, the Big Daddy. 19-27. Back to 8-point lead. On Navigate. Short on the captain. Now the director. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. March. Open wide, open jump. Bang, 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 bang. On March. 22-27. 5-point lead now. Against the Navigate. Now the veteran Lood. Bang, 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 bang. On the veteran. 30-22. March, same spot. Rebound on the Padre Gonzago. Work and relief. It's 3-2. Stop, pump. Time out on Calidia. Now you back to Henson. Henson. Paig Daddy. Jump ball, Calidia ball, same ball. Same ball, Calidia. Ibarra. March.
Sablan.
Short. Ibarra again by Ibarra. The Padre Gonzago. Now work and ring. Now the veteran. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, the veteran.
Sabi ko sa inyo, sikuhin nyo eh.
35-22. Now Lim. Yes, on rock and rolling. 37-22. Ibarra. Sablan. 14 to shoot. Yes, on the director Sablan. 24-27. 4 minutes.
Stepping!
Now, Stephen Vidali. RG. 14 seconds at 14.
Jude!
3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Jude!
RG. 10 to shoot. 10. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Lim. 40-24. Air ball. Rock and roll him again. Looking for the veteran load. Downside for the captain. Short. Rebound again on rock and roll him.
Short.
Air ball. Rebound by March. March now. It's 3-2. March. Coast to coast. Harrison. Stop. Side step. Short. Top by the Pagdari. Steal. Again Berardi. The captain. Captain Midel. Air ball. Back to back. Turnover on Captain Midel. 2 minutes and 40 seconds on our second quarter.
How many blocks?
It's 40 against the 24. Navigate. Big Daddy. Black by Daddy Gonzago. Now 2 minutes and 20.
Okay. Out. Update, Baron. Update, Baron.
Yes, on RJ. 32, 42 to 24. March. Oh, Erson. Stop pump. Yes, on Erson. 26 to 42. 2 minutes. Captain Midel. Big side step. Rock and rolling. Short. Rebound by Guevara. Yes, on the director Sablan. 42 to 48. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang on
Huwag ka nang tumira!
the veteran load. 45 to 28.
Puro 3 points lang. Diba tatlo na?
Big Daddy. Too strong. Rebound by Harrison. Harrison now. Big. Black! What a block by Daddy. 14 to shoot. 1 minute. 14 to shoot.
Holding.
Bang! Bang, bang! On Sablan. 31 to 45. 50 seconds. Rock and roll him. Yes, smooth shot. Coming from rock and roll. 45 seconds. Nice pay. 35 seconds. Yes, Nardi, 49 to 31. 19 seconds. Ten. 2 seconds, 2.
Tira, Daddy. Nandiyan na naman si Naipe. Mga adik, mga basket.
Luwan, ha?
Inbounding the captain. Nepi. 3-second variation. 3-second variation number 24 on Conseco.
Who you want? Diyan na, huy!
Now Chaya.
Third quarter.
Captain Midel. To work and rolling. Nepi. Stop pump. Conseco. Yes. Out Conseco. Now 51. Against the 31. 20-point lead on Navigate. Ibarra. Yes. On Ibarra. Steal. Stop it. Nice move. Black. 10 to shoot. 10. Whoa! The director. Sablan. 51 to 35. Conseco. The director now. 1-1 to the captain. Pick, same spot. Yes! On the director, Sablan.
Sablon lang naman.
51 to 37. It's a 4-0 run against Calidia. Captain Midel to Nepi. Try. Nepi. Too strong. Nice 1-1. The Eurostep man. Alarcon. 39 to 51. Back to 12-point lead on number 8.
Felix, ball, sure ball, ha?
Work on relief. Pass to Nepi. Nepi. Stay. Back to Lim. Looking for the veteran. Too strong. Rebound on the captain Midel. The captain. Yes, on the captain. 53 to 39. Back to 14-point lead on Navigate. Bang! Bang, bang! On the directors of run.
Sure, repeat.
Up, rebound again by the directors of run.
Labas!
To Gibara. 7 minutes.
Pwesto ka lang eh.
Bang! Bang, bang! Bang, bang! On the directors of run. Now 8-point lead on Navigate. Short. Now on the record. Stop, pump. Rector drive. Pass to your step man. Alarcon. Time out. On Navigate. Now 53-47. 6-point lead.
Grabe yung sablan.
All score coming from the rectors of land.
Ayaw mo sumablan.
Mag-ama yung konsen ko. Di ba puro mag-ama din to.
53-47. It's been 6-point leads. 9-point run against Calidia. The captain, short. Iba na agad the captain. Conseco, short again. Now on Alarcon, the Eurostep man, Alarcon. Now 49 to 53, 4-point lead on Navigate.
Huli!
14 to shoot.
Lim.
Angat na.
Bang! Bang, bang! On rock and roll. 56 to 49.
Galaw! Lapit nila pare. Grabe naman. Boom!
Bang! Bang, bang! Bang, bang! On the directors of blood.
Ilan yun?
Juan, ara!
3.
Ilan yun?
3.
Pati na!
Apa?
Yes!
Sa second yun.
Oh, now 59 to 52.
Juan, galaw! Kaya mo, Mike?
Kiri dito.
52, 49.
Sasalubong mo tayo. Sa'yo yung sasalubong.
March. Oh! Bang, bang! Bang, bang! Oh, Alarcon! 59 to 55. Back to 4-point lead. On Navigate. Too strong. Rebound on Sablan. To the Eurostep man again. Eurostep man! Alarcon! 57-59.
Wala, dalawa na lang.
2-point lead on Navigate. Conseco. Too strong again. Rebound on Chaya.
Sa'yo na yan, ha?
Chaya on the Eurostep man again. Yes, back-to-back shot on the Eurostep. 59 all. It's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. It's a
Dead.
12-0 run against Calidia. Now, the veteran short rebound. Rap, yes, on
Wala, pre!
Lim, 61 to 59. Still on Nepi. Nepi, I said Chaya. Chaya to Alarcon. The Eurostep man again, Alarcon. 61 all. 61. 4 minutes. March.
Boom!
Konsen ko.
Stop.
Sinipin ang matitira.
Ah, Thunder. Hindi ko na-add yung 5 points nyo kasi 10 kayo.
Ay! Bye!
3 minutes and 50 seconds. 61 all, 61. 40 to shoot. March. Take. Sablan. In and out. RG. To Mine. Lucas. Lucas now setting a play. Escape. Lucas fakes. Side step. Pass to Mine. Daddy. Wow! Daddy Gonzago now 63 to 61. Back to 2-point lead on Navigate. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Back to 2-point lead on Navigate. Time to shoot. Yes! On Sablan! 63 all. Yes, on the rookie Nepi. 65 to 63. Two minutes and 40 seconds.
Bang!
Substitution rep, substitution.
Lemot kami dyan! Gol! Para mabasa sila, para mabasa sila.
Di ba?
Wala natin yung bola. Gol! Gol!
Only 2-point lead on Navigate.
Dalawa lang yan, tsaka isa.
Mine. Mine. 67 to 63. 2 minutes.
Tawid, Jaya! Tawid! Tawid!
Person. Nice defense on Daddy. Conseco. Now 1 minute and 50. Lucas. Mine. RJ Pig. 10 to shoot. 10. Steal by Chaya. Steal by Mine.
Hindi ka yan!
RJ.
Apol!
Short.
Bilaw!
1 minute and 18 seconds. 14 to shoot. 67 to 63.
Nice cons! Kakat, sa ilalim, Nard! Sa likid mo! Ito kaya pa to! Kita!
Aywa.
Baksa doon!
Yes, Lucas. 50 seconds.
Magalit na Richter! Huli ka!
Steal again.
Harang!
Mine.
Nakabuelo! Ibarra! Nice one! Tira yan!
10 to shoot. 10.
Pesa yan! Pesa!
RJ. Hawak.
Anak ng tatay, oh! Hawak!
20 seconds.
Sige, let's mo! Kaya mo yan! Yun lang. Tatlo kayo!
10 seconds.
Ay!
Rebound na Big Daddy. 5 seconds.
Parang barko binuno ng ribon. Ay! Di mo ba tinira?
Ay.
All game.
Break the director, basahin niyo.
Now March. Herson.
Aywa.
Yes, on Herson. 65 to 74. Back to 9-point lead. On navigate. Short. Chaya. To Herson. Yes, on Herson. 67 to 24. Back to 7-point lead on navigate. Short again, Chaya. March. Herson. Short. Anderson. Steal by the director. Now Lucas. Bang! Bang, bang! On Lucas. 77-67. Back to 10-point lead on navigate. Herson. Yes, on Herson. 69 to 77. 8-point lead. Against navigate. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Steal by March. Now to the director sa plan. It's 3-2. The director, stop. The director, dive. Direct pop. The director, foul.
Tama lang yung ginan mo.
Foul on Maing.
Pagsabihan mo, tatay. Pagsabihan mo.
First team foul on navigate.
Ginan mo, talaga papaloy ka.
Anderson.
First on Maing.
Second.
70 to 77. 7-point lead now on navigate.
Bigay, bigay.
Now Lucas.
Diyan ka lang, tayo. Diyan ka lang. Next one.
Yes, on the side Gutsenko, 79 to 70.
Hindi ka makapag-establish ng balik po lang.
Herson skate. Wow, basket count and won by Herson. Foul on number 24. On Gutsenko, second team foul number 8.
94.
First on number 24, Gutsenko. 79 to 72. 73 against 79. Now Lucas. Guarded by Chaya. Short. Rebound on March. March to Chaya. Airball. Substitution, rep, sub. Substitution. It's 79 against 73.
Kaya.
Short. Rebound on direct for Sablan. Lucas. Anderson. Yes, on Anderson. 81 to 73. 8-point lead now on navigate.
Pasok mo.
Bang! Bang, bang! On Herson. Rebound again by Herson. 6 minutes.
March.
The director now. Too strong. Rebound by Maing. To the veteran now. Too strong. Herson.
Short.
Maing to the veteran. Veteran, escape, veteran, move! 83 to 76. 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Time out mo muna, time out.
Time out on Calidia. 85-76, 9-point lead now against Nilgate. March.
Ayun yung short.
Anderson, tayo mo muna.
4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Reserve substitution.
40 to shoot. Bang! Bang, 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 bang on the veteran load. 88-76, substitution rep, sub rep.
Home court, home court.
Si Magat.
Warning doon, dalawa warning ha.
Pre, warning daw yung dalawa. Bakit? Kasi nagpipituan.
4 minutes and 24 seconds. 4 minutes and 24 seconds. 88 against 76. Foul. Foul on March. Substitution. Anderson out. Substitution. Chai out.
Bakit pare? Saya. Sorry na. Dalawa ka na. Sige.
Galidia
Lasa.
mo.
Gusto nila dumikit eh. Pasok ako.
First team foul on Calidia.
Pasok mga 3 minutes. 4 minutes eh. Gusto to sila eh. Gusto niya ngayon.
40 to shoot.
Wala! Stepping! Oh, wala!
Oh, the veteran low.
Tama na tan. Pag di ka pa pakinabaka sa ano, depensa. Sa rebound.
Nangyayari. Home court kasi, home court na.
90 against 76.
Pasok sa'yo.
Back to 14-point lead.
Diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang.
By Nilgate.
Spacing, kailangan ko ng spacing.
Point.
Yes on RJ.
Galing ni JD ah.
3 minutes and 20.
Hirapan sa akin rito. Hello! Kasi
40 to shoot, 14.
Dante! Di pa nga gano'n.
10.
Hirapin niya yung anong team niya sa ano? Yung nandito. Talagang mga kaamoy.
3 minutes.
Sana, pakunti yung matanda! Sapo.
Yes on Sablan. Oh, Consango, 94.
Ilalim tan, ilalim!
Foul on Mike, substitution rep sub.
Kasampala yun.
13 foul on Navigate.
Oo. Level
13 foul on Navigate. Second personal foul on Mike. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. March, drive, March.
Nice shot, nice shot!
Air ball. March fake, 40 to shoot, 14.
Second!
Abo.
Yes, on Kibara.
Dada lang, dada! Wala, sabay! Stepping, stepping! Sayang! Good!
Short. Ah, Consango. RJ again, RJ. Last 2 minutes. These last 2 minutes is brought to you by Chorus Basketball, Basketballista, Calidia, and Navigate. Nice pass to Alarcon to March, water pass. Coming from the Euro State man, Alarcon. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Saras, suko saras! Naman yung kahit ng babae pa ano, sinungaling.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Anderson. Person.
Good!
1 minute. The captain. Short.
Tira-tira dyan! Wala, ayaw talaga ng 2 points ah!
99 to 82. 17-point lead against Nilgate. 50 seconds.
Tayo lang, tayo!
Wala, wala. Wala talaga.
40 seconds. Kick ball, kick ball. 38 seconds, 38.
Stepping! Nice shot! Ayaw talaga ng 2 points eh! Ayaw eh! Pagod!
25 seconds.
Tira tandang mo! Ajay!
Wow! Bang, 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 bang. All RJ. 102 to 82. 10 seconds. And